The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Welcome my people, Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. Now first things first, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened when a person who was arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago escaped from the police from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. The video shows a person who was arrested and placed in a police vehicle by the police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, got out of the motor vehicle and ran away from police officers from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Police officers chased that person, viewers and subscribers, and police officers also fired shots. The video has been talked about on social media, viewers and subscribers, and that's one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to also take a look at this video and tell me what you think. I don't have any confirmed information if the person had been apprehended by the police from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago after the person escaped, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons was arrested by the police on the day when the video had been recorded. I don't even have any information as to why the person was arrested in the first place, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? But for you to get a better understanding, I'm going to present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, please bear in mind that in this video, you can see at least one person in handcuffs. In the video, you can see police officers and civilians. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. And in the video, you can hear when shots had been fired. You see me? The video also shows when police officers use the force to put a person in the back of a police motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And in the video, you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can tell me what you think. Observe, my people.
Because again, I am nothing, boy.
But look at the man bloody, boy.
Okay, me move and take care of my boy.
Look at the blood of the foot.
Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
I tell people, yelling and shouting.
Move from there! Move from there! Hey, move from there! Move from there!
The man better they move from this. Sure.
What's all the man doing for nothing, man?
Look what I'm doing, Maya! Look what I'm doing now!
Wait,
Look what I'm doing now!
wait, you do the people.
Long time, man.
Hey, call the police! Call the next police! Take the license plate and call the police! 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 And the license plate! Call the police! And the police! And the police! Call the police! I have them! I have them! I have them!
Channel
The
people.
bus up here and thing! Hey, hey! I am moved from there! Hush! Hey, hush! Hey, hush!
Alright, my people, right there saw the video, you can hear shots fired, you see me? Yeah, you can hear shots fired there, so. Alright, I could look at the rest of the thing.
No reason now. Call that call for no reason now. Come on, call me now, boss.
But like, so you know.
Oh, you ain't call the police?
You know let's try to keep
Oh, you call the police? Call the police! Call the real police! Call the real police!
See? Man, come out of the motor vehicle, this one. Chase the match. Chase him there now, you see?
Oh, you call the real police now, oh yeah? Them look at that fancy! Oh God! Oh, you call the real police? They came over by the enemies. Oh God! What boy?
Channel, my people. The amount of videos like this we see on social media, they might not be exactly the same, but similar. So me I say, channel, my people, me don't have a whole lot of information about the situation shown in the video. You know what I mean? But, you know, just because the video is being talked about on social media, that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you. So now me read some comments on social media about the video, you know, and we get some unconfirmed information about the video as well. As I say, yeah, because the police went to that location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago for a certain reason of viewers and subscribers, and the police also made arrest. You understand? Yeah, but the video has been talked about on social media, and let me just present the video to you. You can tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. If me get any confirmed information about the situation shown in the video, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know. All right? That is if it is possible. Alright, so I'm going to move on to a topic. I got information that the police within the country of Jamaica are sorting out a man who allegedly stabbed and killed a man who goes by the last name of Campbell during an altercation involving a woman. It is said that the incident happened along the Brownstown Main Road in St. Ann, Jamaica on Saturday the 4th of June, the year 2022. Now, some persons might consider the situation that caused the life of Campbell a love triangle, viewers and subscribers. You see? Because there are some allegations and speculations about the whole situation. Now, according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, it is said that on the 4th of June, the year 2022, Campbell went to a nightclub in the town and he saw his girlfriend in a compromising position with a man. It is said that Campbell approached the female and said some things to the female, and an argument developed between Campbell and the female. It is said that at some point, Campbell and the female went outside of the club. It is said that they either went close by or at the Brownstown market. And it is said that while they were at that location, they were arguing with each other, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that at some point, the man who Campbell caught the female with in a compromising position intervened in the argument. And at some point, a scissors came into play and Campbell was stabbed. It is said that Campbell was taken to a hospital where he was pronounced dead, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, it's really sad to hear about this whole situation, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that Campbell is a young man. I got unconfirmed information that Campbell is only 20-year-old. Yeah, and at no point should anyone turn to violence, no matter what the reason or the cause. You see what I say? Yeah, self-defense is a different situation of viewers and subscribers. You understand? You see? Yeah, so overall, my understanding about the whole situation is that one person lost his life and one person is being sorted out by the police within the country of Jamaica. And where's the female? I got no confirmed information what happened to the female. You understand me? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the whole situation in the comment section of this video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded at a KFC establishment that is located somewhere out there in the world. I don't know exactly where and when the video will be recorded. And according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that a female was being very disrespectful to a employee or employees at a KFC establishment. Now, why the female was being disrespectful to an employee or employees of the KFC establishment, I do not know. But let's take a look and listen to this video and see if we can get an understanding as to what happened. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? Oh, and please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear harsh language. So viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
I'm gonna come out here. Give me the money. I want to tax it. I'm gonna report the money. This is what I'm doing. I did not send the left the food. I'm gonna get the drinks and the left the food right as I let the money. Leave the money, man. Give me the money. Give them the money. Give them the money at the go. Right, give them the money at the go. Give them the money at the go. Yeah, way out around here. Share cash for food in a box because she don't have what I needed. You understand me? And then they leave the food right there, so we just serve the food and give to it. All because she have a attitude. Just give me the money at the wall. Why was serve come on down? You feel like Chucky. Go serve everything, yeah. Go serve the family then.
My God. You're the woman that on top of vice for people. Yeah? No glass, no crack. Yeah, but on a real level, people, it seems as if an employee of the establishment did something that the female didn't like. You know? Yeah, because me hear the female mention the word attitude, and me hear the female mention the word food. So, you know, my best understanding about the situation is that something happened while the female was being served. Yeah, and I think whatever happened have something to do with the food that she ordered. Yeah, man. The female has said, oh, get my money, money. My gosh. Anyway, my people, let me know what you think about that situation, your viewers and subscribers. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica, and I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me if a police officer who you can see in this video was causing more traffic pileup than a motorist who stopped his motor vehicle on the road somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. You can also tell me if you think the police officer was doing proper policing too as well. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Right, he want the busman to move and the busman now move. And look on the traffic where him have back of him right now, you know. And him a hold up the traffic, you know, watch him. Him a hold up the traffic, you know, watch him. Him a hold up the traffic, could people the back of him. And because the man there, so him a tell the man to move and the man now move, look here. Look here, and him hold me up here now, go here now. See him come out of the car, watch her. Watch him. Watch him.
Yes.
Watch her now.
Easy. Move along.
Watch her now.
Move.
Watch him.
Move the vehicle.
You can't even see a black of a figure road.
You hear the policeman, viewers and subscribers? You see what I say? Yeah, I know. When it comes down to a situation like that, viewers and subscribers, you see, I look at a situation like that in a half and half way. Yeah, you ever hear a term where them say 6 of one and a half dozen of the other? The reason why I say that is because I think that the police officer was doing his job, but at the same time, he caused a traffic pileup. So I say, yeah, I think that the police officer was doing his job, but he caused that traffic pileup. You understand? But you can let me know what you think, you have your subscribers. You understand? Yeah, I just give you my opinion right there. So yeah, so viewers and subscribers, yeah, so I'm gonna left it now. I just make you know certain things will happen or some things will go on. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it.